Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on the Grady-White 2018 model 271 Canyon. Great offshore boat, lots of fishing room. This is a hardcore fishing machine. I'm going to start back at the back of the boat with the power package on here. This has got twin 300 horsepower four-stroke Yamahas. Great power package. You're going to get plenty of speed for this. Even at 3,500 RPMs, you're barely working these engines to run 35 miles an hour. When you enter the starboard side of the boat, you can look back here at the back and just see the extra heavy duty hinges that are put on here, the heavy handle, the thickness of that door. That's like 2 inches. This is the kind of stuff that you see on a 50-foot sport fish, not on a 27-foot center console. Really heavy duty. And then that locks open. We've got a freshwater shower back here in the back, so you can rinse yourself off as you're coming back in. This is a fish box or a cooler. I want to show you something down inside here. This is the attention to detail that Grady has. See how this little fitting right here is sunk down in there a little bit? The reason that's sunk down in there is so when you're washing this out at the end of the day, everything runs out of that. It all runs out by gravity, so you don't have to get in there at the end of the day with a sponge and sponge the extra fish guts or scales or all that stuff. It all runs out by gravity. No fish box pump out required. Over on this side, you've got your Livewell that's got the blue interior on it, the rounded corners. That's all designed to help keep your bait alive longer. Drink holders, of course, are important on a boat, fishing boat or a cruising boat, and you're always going to have them everywhere you look on this boat. You're going to see nice drink holders on it. Grady's also thinking about your comfort when you're going fishing too. Look at this back seat on here. Look how easy it is to deploy. There's no legs to fold down, nothing like that. It just pops right out. When you're done with it, it folds away. It's that easy. Moving forward, we got another freshwater shower right here. So this is your wet bar. Then right here, we've got another big live well. So we've got two big live wells on this boat. More than enough room to keep all your bait alive. Going forward, we've got the double wide Helm seat. I mean, this boat's so wide. This boat's 9 foot 6 inches wide, which that's wide for a 27 footer. A lot of our competition is 8'6" or 9 foot, but 9'6", this is a wide 27. You can actually probably fit 3 people wide here behind the console. The ergonomics is great here. When I'm standing up, my hands lay right on the steering wheel, right on the throttle, and I've got a nice footrest there too. So now if I decide that I'm going to sit up on here, then I've got a footrest that I can put my feet up on as well. Stereo controls here. Plenty of room to put dual multifunction displays, GPS chart plotter, fish finder up on the dash here right in front of you. If you look at this T-top, this is painted. It's not powder coated. This is a vinyl paint. So this it wears better than the powder coating. When you ding this with a metal reel or something like that, it doesn't chip off. And then underneath that chipping, you get salt water and powder coating starts to flake off. This vinyl paint, super expensive paint from Grady-White. They figured out how to do it so that the color on this aluminum doesn't chip off after a few years like a lot of our competitors do. Looking down inside the console, you've got a marine head. That's a marine head with an electric flush. It also has a holding tank with a macerator with an overboard discharge, or you can pump the waste out when you're dockside, either way. Going forward, nice bow seating area if you want a comfortable ride going forward. Look at how easy. You've got some nice cushion backrests. You don't have to take these and stow them somewhere if you're not using them. If you're not using them, just flip them out of the way. A lot of our competitors, you remove those and then you've got to find somewhere to put them. So that's a great design by Grady-White. And look how easy it is to operate. If you need to get all the way to the front of the boat, this flips up. We'll go ahead and flip that up real quick. Now we can get all the way up to our anchor windlass, and we've got your up and down switches for your anchor windlass, so you can control that from right up here in the front. You've got a raw water wash down up here in the front. Again, drink holders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drink holders in the front of this boat. So they've got everything that you need, and this was a great boat for fishing, a great day to be out with the family. This is the Grady-White 271 Canyon. I'm Grant. Come see it at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.